Hey, future moguls. Today I'm diving into one of the most crucial skills an entrepreneur can master, the 3-minute investor pitch. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, nailing this pitch can make or break your funding journey. First things first, let's talk about why your pitch needs to be strong. Investors see hundreds of proposals daily. Yours has to stand out. A great pitch conveys passion, addresses pain points, demonstrates market viability, and creates a sense of urgency. Now let's break down the ultimate 3-minute pitch structure. Start with the hook. You've got 30 seconds to grab their attention. Use a compelling statistic, a burning question, or a relatable anecdote. Here's an example. Did you know 70% of Americans struggle to manage stress daily? This highlights a pressing need for accessible mental health solutions. Next, move to the problem statement. Use 45 seconds to clearly define the problem. Make it real with data or personal stories. Despite rising awareness, effective mental health support remains limited. Traditional therapy is often expensive and time-consuming, leaving millions without the help they need. Now it's time for your solution. You've got another 45 seconds. Describe your product or service succinctly. Highlight what makes it unique. Our platform, MindEase, connects users with certified therapists via a user-friendly app, making therapy affordable and convenient. Imagine having support just a tap away. Then, outline the market opportunity. In 30 seconds, discuss the market size and growth potential. The mental wellness app market is projected to grow to $4 billion by 2026. Our proprietary tech and experienced team position us to capture this demand and outpace competition. Finally, your call to action. Use the last 30 seconds to let investors know what you're asking for. Be clear and concise. We're seeking $500,000 to enhance our tech, expand marketing, and improve user experience. Join us in revolutionizing mental health support and making a real difference. Remember, practice is key. Rehearse until your pitch is fluid, use confident body language, be authentic, and always be ready to answer potential questions. So there you have it. With a clear, impactful 3-minute pitch, you're ready to capture investors' attention and secure that funding. Take a deep breath, channel your passion, and go pitch perfect. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, stay inspired and keep hustling.